Hello and welcome once again to my YouTube channel. Please do make sure to subscribe and like this video. I'll be showing you how to make chocolate ganache. Chocolate ganache is a combination of cooking or baking chocolate and cream, usually double cream. Why do we need to use chocolate ganache? You can use it as a base for your fondant cakes. You can use it in buttercream for richer taste. It doesn't melt easily in warm weather and it tastes delicious. For white chocolate ganache, the measurement is 1 portion of chocolate to 1/3 of double cream. I like to use the Elmia double cream. So for 100 ml of double cream, you need 300 grams of white cooking chocolate. Melt your white cooking chocolate in the microwave at 30 seconds intervals until it is completely melted, and then pour in your 100 ml double cream into the 300 grams of white chocolate and mix thoroughly, and then you will have your white chocolate ganache. Make sure to refrigerate before use so that it's nice and thick. For milk chocolate ganache, you need 1 portion of the milk chocolate and half portion of double cream. So for 150 ml of double cream, you need 300 grams of milk chocolate. Once again, I like to use the Elmia double cream. So you need to melt your 300 grams of milk chocolate at 30 seconds intervals in the microwave until it's completely melted. Pour in your 150 ml of double cream into your 300 grams of milk chocolate. Mix thoroughly, and then you will have your milk chocolate ganache. Thank you for watching this video. Please do make sure to subscribe. Thank you and bye.